Hey guys, we're doing a Goloza wooden alarm clock
Product review.
with me and Kyron.
Period.
So here I'm letting Kyron unbox everything because we decided that the alarm clock is gonna go into his room. You see Babe in the background. Hey Babe. Okay, so now Kyron trying to figure out how to make it work or what all it do. I don't know what's going on in his head. Anyway, we taking out all the things that comes with it. It comes with its own charger or power cord, so it can be plugged into the wall. Has a good little snooze button on top that I like to use. Slap that thing, go to sleep a couple of more times. Well, really, we should just jump up the first time. But that's not what we're here to talk about. So, yeah, he's getting all the stuff unwrapped. Okay, we'll be doing all this unwrapping and fiddle-faddling and all of that in just a second. This is a true unboxing. We ain't never did this before. So, yeah, this is where you plug it up. Let's plug it up to the wall. Mind your business. Disregard the TV on the floor. That ain't not your business. So, yeah, the clock, it actually works regular time, and it does military time as well. Okay. Okay, so on the back, it literally has all the little buttons to adjust the time. You can go up or down with the time. Adjust the alarm clock. You just have to hold the button down to get to what you want to get to. I'll figure out how to hold it in a minute, but right now I'm just clicking it. But you can hold it for it to go faster. But yeah.
It's 2:19.
So with the alarm clock, you actually have an alarm 1 and an alarm 2. Now, with the alarm clock, I didn't show it on here, but you actually have to either turn it on, and it will say on where you saw the 2 dashes right there. So if you see the 2 dashes, your alarm clock is not on. You literally have to push the button again to make it turn on. So don't say I didn't tell you, and then you don't wake up to your alarm. It ain't my fault, I just told you. Let's test it out. Let's test. I should have cut that cough out, but here we are. Just ignore it. Excuse him. Okay, I think y'all get the point with the setting the alarm. Yeah, true unboxing. I was figuring it out, but we love it. We love it. We've actually had a chance to use it, so we actually love it. And I don't have to go in there and wake Kyron up no more. His phone was too low, so he wasn't waking up with his phone alarm clock, even though everybody in the house could hear it. But this alarm clock, the whole neighborhood could probably... Okay, I might be exaggerating. But we can hear it, okay? Everybody can hear it. And if you don't wake up to that one, then I don't know what to tell you. Also, you see you can dim the light. You can make it brighter. He like it on the brightest. It don't matter. It ain't gonna run no battery down because it's plugged into the wall. So, yeah. Now, hopefully this beeping don't get on your nerves. But that's why it's an alarm clock. It should alarm you, wake you up. But it starts out slow and then it gets louder and then faster and faster and faster. That won't wake you up? So yeah, y'all saw how it works. And also, you can also charge your phone. Plug your USB to the back and you can charge your phone. In this case, we're going to show you using Kyron's headphones or earpiece or whatever the kids call it. Cause,
charging.
Yeah, whatever it say. It say earbuds. They ain't AirPods, but you get the point. I hope you liked it, enjoyed. Thanks for watching.